musoso. Come through, see my land. Come through, see my land. Malera, ramu kanji, ramu leke ramu gole ramu soso. Come through, see my land. Come through, see my land. Malera.
One touch represents Solomon Island people say. We people start originally from my homeland. Like my old man said, there's nothing impossible. So we have to bring this message to my brother lyrical. Straight from the crew, out to the blue. We represent the voices of my ancestors calling. And I was getting more and my culture is falling. Now we have a step up for the past 20 calling.
Once there wasn't stop, ain't nobody gonna stop us. People, everybody, would you listen to us for a start? No point complaining unless we're partaking. We represent the cause of the ones falling. We resemble true art. When we bust the line, flip the rhymes from the heart. No, there's never gonna be another. Everybody stop portraying undercover.
Come through, see my land. Come through, see my land. My land.
Hear what we stand for, see what we strive for. All these lyrics stressing out struggles in the metaphor. We've been through it all, every day crying, but we held on to that one silver line. Hoping and praying, the one that will be heard. The signs that we illustrate, we know what can be said. If you could take your time to stop and feel the pain in the scars that have already been healed.
We bear the stakes to retrieve the context as we take another step up for a bullet train race. With all due respect to those before us, hold up the names and the marks of our ancestors. And if we fall, rise up to the call. Believe with all our hearts so we can take control. Oh, we can make it, oh, we can make it. If you let us be what we can be, now we can take it. Come through, see my land. Come through, see my land. Malera, ramu kanji, ramu leke ramu gole ramu soso. Come through, see my land. Come through, see my land. Malera.
Rewind, remix, ramu kanji.